Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on the Motorola Moto G56. So first of all, what you need to do is press the power button and volume up button at the same time so that we open the power menu. And then what you have to do now is just touch and hold your finger on the power off option or restart option. If you press and hold for a second, you will see this screen where you are informed that you are about to go to the safe mode. So press OK and just wait for the phone to turn back on. As you can see here in the bottom left corner, we can tell that we are in the safe mode. So once you unlock your phone, you should be able to use it in the safe mode now. Keep in mind that most apps are not working over here, only those that are pre-installed, that are safe to use. And of course, remember that you are also in the airplane mode if you go into the safe mode. If you want to exit the safe mode now, you need to do the same thing. So almost the same thing, I mean. We have to once again open the power menu. And this time we can just tap restart. We need to simply restart our phone in order to exit the safe mode, and our phone should turn itself back on shortly after that. And we should be back into the normal mode after that. Remember that the airplane mode was enabled, so you might need to turn it off once you go back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.